Horizontal distance, a distance measuring along a level line. Horizontal line, a straight line tangent to a level surface and always perpendicular to the plumb line. Horizontal plane, a line tangent to a level surface. Instrumental error, an error caused due to imperfection of the instrument. Interpolation, the process of spacing contour lines proportionally between plotted points. Latitude, the vertical component of traverse line, wherein the distance is multiplied by the cosine of the bearing angle of the line. Leveling, an operation of measuring distance, either directly or indirectly, in order to determine difference elevation between two level surfaces. Leveling rod, a graduated wooded rod, which is the conjunction with the level is used in determining difference elevation. Level line, a curved line to a level surface, which all parts of it are equidistant from the center to the earth. Local attraction, any influences which prevents the needle to deviate from the magnetic meridian. Magnetic declination, the angle between true meridian and magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian, a fixed line of references wherein it lies parallel with the magnetic lines of force of the earth as indicated by the direction. Map, a graphical representation of celestial spheres of the earth's surface. Mapping, the process of depicting or plotting the measurements into a map. Meridian, a fixed line or reference which may be in a line of the survey or it may be an imaginary. Natural error, an error caused by the variation in the existing condition of nature where measurement was taken. Offset method, an operation usually done that 2 points are indivisible where the distance between cannot be determined and chaining is impossible to take in place. Open traverse, a survey which the traverse line do not form a closed figure. Spacing, a raw method measuring distance, usually by calculating numbers of steps by the average length of a single step. Pantograph, an instrument with 4 light links joined together on a parallelogram form used by copying maps. Parallel of altitude, a small circle on the celestial sphere, the plane of which is parallel to that of the horizon. Parallel of declination, a small circle on the celestial sphere, the plane of which is parallel to that of the equator. Personal error, an error made due to the limitation of human to manipulate the instrument correctly. Plane surveying, a type of surveying in which the mean surface of the earth is considered as a plane or its spheroidal slope is neglected. Plane table, a drawing boards mounted on tripod used for plotting maps. Planimeter, a device used in finding the areas of figures plotted to scale, especially those irregular or curved boundaries. Plumb bob, a pointed metal weight suspended as ring. Plumb line, a line directed toward the center of the earth due to gravitational force. Preliminary survey, a survey of selected corridor in sufficient details, thus permitting the stocking of the final center line on the ground. Principal focus, a point of the optical axis of the objective where rays entering the telescope parallel with the optical axis are brought to a focus.